Hello everyone and welcome to Do Not Starve. And today we are starting a new world, as you can see. But let's go. I haven't played Don't Starve in a while, but as you can see, if you're familiar with Don't Starve, then you know that this isn't normally how things are picked. It usually goes through an animation. But that's because I have the Picky mod installed, so it'll just instantly pick up most things. Example, most of the stuff I'm picking up right now. But right now I'm just kind of collecting everything. Holding down spacebar. As you can see, there's also a lot of everything, which is because I made it kind of easier, because I put more of, well, everything. So, I'm just kind of... Oh, no, I forgot to turn off the mod where it just shows you the whole map. See? Yep. Yeah. I did an oopsie, didn't I? Well, while we're here, that's a lot of beefalo, and rabbits, and trees, and everything. Dang it. Okay. I guess we'll try not to look at the map too much, because we don't want to go straight to the valuable stuff. I'm going to try to make a flower crown as soon as possible. So, I love Don't Starve, so I might make another episode in the same day. Don't Starve is like the best. It's basically Minecraft, but two-dimensional and harder with bosses. And night kills you instead of a bunch of annoying creatures coming to take your soul. Okay. Garland. Okay, there. Look how pretty I am. Aren't I pretty? Hey, look at the clouds. Ooh, foggy. The first day is always the most important. You gotta gather as much of everything as you possibly can. Yeah, I need more flint. Lots more flint. Now I'm just gonna hold down spacebar for a little while, see where that takes me. Hey, there's a mandrake over there. That's nice. I'm gonna steal those seeds. Those are mine. Also, it kind of sucks that you can't hear the in-game unless I upgrade your premium, because Screencast-O-Matic is really nice. I know, right? Oh, there seems to be a little stash of a little bit of everything over here. I think my first video of Don't Starve, it used to, they updated it so you could actually hear in-game. But now they're just like, yeah, sorry, we need you to pay money for you to actually do something that a normal recorder should allow you to do. So, oh, and also there's a watermark somewhere around here, I think. Okay. These are not, this area right here that looks very dark with all the pig houses and stuff is not a good area to start playing Don't Starve. You want to start in like a grassland or what is this called? Forest. Just nice little. Well, no, this isn't forest. This is plains, I guess. I'm not going to bother with getting wood right this second, but I am going to make a torch quickly that I don't want to equip. I'm just going to put it right there. I'm going to put all of my edible stuff down here. All the stuff that I can eat. Nom nom nom, delicious. Yeah, I don't really want this, so I'm just going to eat it because I don't need it. The good thing about mandrakes is that they heal a lot of hunger and health, and they put everything around you to sleep, I'm pretty sure including you. So, if you're ever in danger of a boss fight, just eat one of these and then just run as fast as you can and get out of there. Because it's early game, you don't have your spear even. It's that early. You don't even have a spear. Well, if I open up the map quickly, yeah, we're in a corner right here. We're gonna have to move out. Manure, very, very useful. Okay, I should probably make a pickaxe quickly while I'm here. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. So I can get some gold to make one of these bad boys. They're just the best things in the world, I swear. Okay. Oh, alright. It's already dark. Okay. I'm gonna wait until the last second. And no. Okay. And this mandrake, though. Daylight! Yes, and glorious daylight. My hunger is getting low, so I should probably eat something. There. Mandrake, oh mandrake. I don't know where it went. It's okay. I wasn't paying attention. I was being stupid and I forgot. Okay. You are my replacement mandrake. Okay, so where are we now? Okay, we just went around the corner. Ooh, rock. Yay, rocky boy. And it's a gold rock. That is splendid. Because I get some flint out of it. And, ooh, a boon. Hi, dead person. Give me all of your loot that you died with. Thank you very much. You're very helpful. Ooh. Yeah, we've got ourselves a grassland if I've ever seen one. The only thing about grasslands is that there's no trees, which kind of sucks, but not really. Psh! Who needs trees? I need to see something like if I... Okay, there's grass there, right? If I pick it up, does it go away? No. Okay, that's good. Sorry I'm being kind of quiet, it's just there's not that much to talk about at the moment. I just need one more piece of gold. Yeah, I'm definitely going to make another video of this. Well, I have a 15-minute time cap, so I'm already at 12 minutes. So it's fine and dandy. Mostly my friends are watching this. Oh, and shout out to that one fat kid. You are the one and only fat kid. Did you... Attack. How dare you eat that mandrake? That was mine. That mandrake was the best mandrake, and you killed him. You horrid beast. I will light you on fire. Fine. You got your way this time, Mr. Turkey. But don't go around eating any more of my berries, my precious, precious child. Oh, and I have like the 99 stack of items thing, so that's helpful. And I don't mean that in a sarcastic way. That is very helpful. Ooh, yes, toady boys. Hello there, toady boy. There. Dead. Die. Yay. He's a dead boy. That was easy enough. Gonna have to find me a place to set up camp. So let me get out. A good place to set up camp would probably be somewhere over here, kind of. Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to try to go down here. So